What's up, YouTube? FD White back with another episode of FD White Invest. Welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. So today is wrapping up. It's 11 p.m. here over in the Midwest Eastern time. So we had a nice little bounce in Bitcoin over the past couple of days. Altcoins did very well today. So we're gonna really talk about Bitcoin and what I'm seeing in the immediate short term. So let's jump right into it. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 98K, around 98K. Today, we got a high of about 99,106. We could not keep that momentum going. So we did come down. But what I'm really looking at is I've been using this, man. And if you're not using this, make sure you put this on your radar. Make sure you do a little bit of due diligence. I've been using this 20-day moving average. It's called the 20-day MMA, the modified moving average. So I've been using this, man, and I'm telling you, it's been really spot on to spot these trends for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin wants to flip bullish or if it wants to flip bearish, and I've been using it on the hourly and out. So it's been working very well. Right now, we have flipped back above it. So this is a good sign for me for the immediate short term for Bitcoin. We are right above it, so I do want to hold around this 97.3 to 97.5 $1,000 area for Bitcoin. Ultimately, of course, I want to come back and get back up to this 100K level here, which is around, it's, pretty psychological, and it's technical. Excuse me. Let's draw that out because we have some price action here, we have a wick here, we have some wicks here, wicks here, wicks here, wicks here. So it's very technical level. That 100K is a very technical level. And then, of course, like I said, it's a big round psychological number. That's the number that everybody has been talking about over the past few years. So we got above it. But now we're hovering just a tad bit below it, a couple $1,000s below it. So we really want to get that level back intact and come back and reclaim that 100K level. Ultimately, what I'm looking at for Bitcoin is for us to stay above this 20-day MMA, modified moving average, get back above that 100K level, and then see how we interact with this channel here. We want to get back in this channel. Once we get back in this channel, the party's back on. Party's back on. I think we hit 120, 130 fairly quick within the early parts of whenever we get back into this channel. So make sure you have this channel. I think everybody was looking at this channel, so I'm sure you have it on your chart. If you don't, I just pulled mine from the 12th of November. And then I just, connected the dots, so to say. So make sure you have that. You don't even need the top side. You really need that top side once we get back into it. So make sure you put that on your chart. Let's zoom in a little bit to the hourly. And this is what I was looking at a little bit earlier. Let's go to the hourly time frame for Bitcoin. So short term, very short term, what I'll be looking at for Bitcoin is for us to hold the line here. I want to hold the line here. So it's a range that I want to stay above. So the range is coming in at about 96K and it's coming all the way up to about 97.7. So we're holding right above there. We did blast. Well, we hit our head up here Thursday, came all the way back down to the bottom of our range, and then we finally popped up today around noon. Well, like I said, went up to about 99K, came back down, flipped this ass from resistance to support, and now let's pull that up a little bit. And now we're looking to hold there. And if I'm looking at this, I do see somewhat of a flag forming for Bitcoin, or even some type of bull pennant for Bitcoin. So we'll see how we react at this level. It's kind of late over here, so I'm not really looking for anything to happen overnight. Possibly tomorrow. We did see a rally in Bitcoin over the weekend a few weeks back, a nice huge rally in the market a few weeks back. It was a Saturday, so you can't really take your eyes too much off the market right now, but I'm not expecting anything super crazy to happen. But like I said, what I'll be looking for is for us to maybe potentially come down and retest this 97.7 area again to 97.5, and then potentially get back above there and continue our way back up to this 99. We want to take out this high here, like I said, at about 99, and then make our way back up to that 100K level to see if we can get back above that level. And that'll be, I think that can happen fairly quick. Like I said, we are at 97.9, almost at 98 now. So I think this can happen really, really quick. Like the crypto market moves very, very fast. So you can't really take I really don't want to take my eyes off the charts for the most part. I'm really locked in this year, especially this first half of this year. I really think everything is going to pan out very, very well. When it comes to altcoins, we had some nice pumps in altcoins. We talked about Solana yesterday over on the Crypto Nightcap. We got in at about 205. It got up to about 217, and now it's hovering around 216 to 215. So this is on the hourly. Solana is looking like it's getting primed and ready for another move. All these coins are these. This is what I look for bullish continuation. It's forming a bull flag right underneath right underneath this resistance area here. So of course what we'll be looking at, breakout retest, and then keep going up. And our target is right here. So we don't have too much further to go. Our first target is about right here at about 225 for Solana. So that's just a short term play that I'm looking at for Solana. If you didn't get in yesterday, there's still time. There's still a play to be made right here for Solana. And that would be if we got in, let's say you got in, you come in at the bottom about 215. We go up to about 225, which is that's about a 4.5% move if you got in there. So, the overall market right now, we are down because the day did start over. But yesterday, I mean, we were up. A lot of coins were up 5, 10. I seen some 15, 20%. Shout out to everybody who's been holding Sui did hit another all-time high today or yesterday. It got up to about almost $5 on some exchanges. Over here it says $4.99. So shout out to Sui, man. This was such an easy play. Again, my 20-day modified moving average came in conjunction with our bull flag, popped out, and I mean, the sky was the limit. Sky was the limit. So I did not take this trade, but I was telling everybody on the Nightcap, like, Sui is a strong mover. So if Sui breaks out, be watching for Sui. And I hate when I do that. I give the play and then I don't even take it. I did get the Solana play, but I didn't get the Sui play. And the Sui play, I mean, went bananas. So even if you would have got out on the breakout, I mean, to the high, you got about 15% for Sui, man. So shout out to everybody who got into Sui. And right now Sui is holding this support level flipped from resistance at about 485. So we'll be watching out for Sui as well. But we will have another market update early tomorrow to see how the overnight market moves. And we'll just keep you updated, man. Just trying to keep everybody updated. Tell you what I'm doing, tell you what I'm seeing, and keep going from there, man. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. We are pushing hard. We got 1,600 subscribers. Appreciate all 1,600. It's been a clawing and scraping for every subscriber and every view that I get, and it doesn't come unappreciated. I appreciate everybody. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.